We're covering how to buy shares of Alligator Bioscience AB, a clinical stage biotech company developing antibody therapeutics, which trades on CBOE EU under the ticker ATORX.ST. This guide is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you'll need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ATORX.ST to locate Alligator Bioscience AB. Make sure the listing matches the CBOE EU exchange to find the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and check the price chart to see recent movements. Confirm the company name, CBOE EU listing, and ticker ATORX.ST to ensure this is the right stock. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the example eToro page is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.